Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Amazon FBA to handle customer returns. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, handling customer returns is an essential part of managing your Amazon FBA business. Amazon's FBA program simplifies this process, allowing you to focus on growing your business. When a customer returns a product, Amazon handles everything. They take care of the customer service, process the return, and restock the item if it's in sellable condition. You don't need to worry about managing the return yourself. To manage and track returns, log into your Seller Central account, head over to the Reports tab, and then select Return Reports from the menu. This report provides detailed information on the reasons for returns, which can help you identify any recurring issues with your products or listings. If the returned item is in sellable condition, Amazon will automatically return it to your inventory. If the item is damaged or unsellable, you can decide whether to have it returned to you or let Amazon dispose of it. Set up your preferences for these situations in the FBA return settings section. Using Amazon FBA to handle customer returns saves you time and resources, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your business. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.